Now this is a TV, right? You can't plumb a TV, right? So we're gonna move over and check out the shower. Come with me. Welcome to the shower. A place to get clean, a place to masturbate. Okay? We have a lot of stuff here. We have shampoo. We have this thing. We have a lamp. We got this. What is this? Oh shit. It works. Works great. Love it. Moving on. Now this is a toilet, and I've seen my fair share of toilets. You know, I've pissed, I've shit, I've puked, and they're really good. And this one works too. It's perfect. It's got water in it and everything. Huh? Okay. Now we're here. Final stop, bathtub. And the great thing about a bathtub is it can double as a bed if you're really fucking drunk, right? So you can sleep in this motherfucker. You got it. Nice cover here and all. It's great. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna sleep off the beers now. Have a good night.